Hi, I'm Tito Scasa. I'm the Managing Director and Country Chair for TotalEnergies here in the Philippines, and I want to welcome you to the 2023 Sustainability Day and Day in Nature here at Nena Sanctuary here in Santa Elena in Laguna. I hope everyone has a great day and a fulfilling day today. Thank you.
So this is the important part. So today, nothing in life is free. So we brought you here today because we need your help. Your parents, together with myself, we have targets. Meron kaming homework. Meron kaming project na kailangan i-submit sa teacher namin, which is our bosses. And that project is to act in terms of biodiversity.
Haribon Foundation is a 50-year-old organization that has advocated for the environment for 50 years. Okay? Our inspiration comes from the Philippine Eagle, which is the Haribon. Kami yung unang organization dito sa Pilipinas na maging NGO for the environment.
So we will have also community breakfast, environmental day to think about our behavior, and Water and Life, our partner for this activity, will introduce a pilot community-based waste collection. Because of course we'll be here one day, but the community has trash every day.
Cause you know that you are. So come through. Free mind, every kind. I just came to have a good time. Now everybody hands high. Feels good on cloud nine. Yeah, everything is here, right now.
And we're currently looking for a country health, safety, and environment coordinator. So, you know, what does this mean? This means that, to the most part, the country leadership and what drives the activities of TotalEnergies in the Philippines now is being driven.
A healthy planet is a healthy life for all. Thank you.